Hello guys, welcome back to Smokehouse Chandigarh, and today I'm gonna show you unboxing of MYA MOZZA hookah. So guys, without any delay, let's start the unboxing. So guys, this is the box of MYA hookah, and you can see this is in blue color. And let's see what is inside the box. And I can see blue color hose, and let's see. Wow, this color is very cool and the build quality is also very good, and you can see MYA written on the hose everywhere. And this is the base of this hookah. It is all made of glass, and you can also see patent number over here. Yeah, you can see it. Now it shows that this product is original, and also you can see MYA written on the top of this metal area. And this is the tongue and some more accessories. You can see this is the ashtray, and MYA is also written on the ashtray. Yeah, you can see it now. And these are the accessories. This is made of China, and because they manufacture this product in China. And this is MYA MOZZA cloth. And this is the stem. You can say neck also. Then this is all made of metal, and it build quality is very good. And let's see what is inside the box. This is the chillum, and guys, the build quality is very good. It is written on here made in China, MYA brand. And we put flavor over here, and we cover it with the coal tray, and we put coal here. What is left inside the box? This is the attachment. We put chillum on that. So guys, without wasting your time, let's make that hookah and show you the smoke of that hookah. So guys, smoke is very dense, and I can feel the flavor properly. And I'm requesting you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And this hookah is not very expensive. If you want to buy it, you can follow me on Instagram, and also I will provide my number in the description. Thank you so much.